Okay. So here we are in the meeting room at Gulf Sondex. So the AI has left. He was a bit shy about being video, but we have Bento here, the QA manager. QC, sorry, excuse my lack of terminology, good terminology. So what we have here that Bento is going to show us, this is the file which is substantiating all of the information regarding these units that were just passed by the AI today. Could you perhaps just video here so we can see each of the documents? So you have a index page, and inside we have a data sheet, finite element analysis reports, we have drawings, the receiving inspection reports,
material test certificate and traceability record, and
yep.
Inspection test plan, and hydrostatic test report, and non-conformance report if have any, and the photocopy of the nameplates stamped by AI, and manufacturer's data report from Sondex.
Okay, all right.
This is the AS188 data sheet. Data sheet.
So the data sheet, we won't go into that. We're all familiar with what that is. The FEA reports.
This is the FEA report of this total all units. This 188 units.
Okay, I think this is quite interesting. This is
this will
testing all
explain
the
you
stress.
everything, the material, design data, what the pressure it is, and the design status, everything.
Yep.
And for this is the drawing and the minimum thickness what we required for these units, pressure regarding that rated pressure all mentioned here.
So this is very important.
Yeah, this is very important.
For the AI.
Yes, this is very important document.
Okay.
This is the material properties of the steel, carbon steel plates we are purchasing, and the stress value, and all the details of the as per the certificate, and this also the stress values and the different load case condition. Like the test load what we are doing by the software. So they are making the report based on that, what pressure we are giving.
Okay.
This also the stress values and different ratios and calculations they made by them.
Yep.
And this is the conclusion, final conclusion what they have obtained. As per the SME Section 8, Division 1, UG 23. It's the code requirement.
So this is a code requirement of ASME.
SME Section 8 is Division 1. Based on that, we are building upon these documents.
Okay. All right.
So this is the analysis photos thing. You have to get clear picture when you get directly from that. They have the color image of this thing. This is the Xerox copy of the document I have scanned and given to you.
So this is 3D.
This is the 3D modeling by ANSYS software.
Okay.
So this is the 3D analysis. They have loading on these different areas.
Yep.
And this having colors and all. Based on the loading, it will be having colors and all.
Okay. Have you got a colour one somewhere?
Yeah, color one I will show you. It will be the original document.
Okay, let's look at the original document.
See, this is the loading, images, modeling and meshing. This is all meshing. It's done by the software expert from the ANSYS expert. So this is the loading area. Loading
so this is done by a third party?
Third party, yeah. Okay. We cannot have our own facility. This is loading. Pressure applied for the follower, and this for the header.
Yep.
And different. This for the stud bolts. We are loading.
Yep.
All red color marking is the loading.
Yep.
And this is the pressure concentration area. They have by analysis they have find out and just put the image of that one.
Yep.
And this also same. This also column they just put the analysis. And this also for the bolts and.
Yep.
Okay. This also same image at different loaded conditions they are putting up. And this is a summary bolt calculation they have calculated as per the bolt what size, MDMT, temperature, pressure rating, everything they have concluded all these things.
Yeah.
And this is the UG43, the standard port connection calculation as per FEA.
Okay. So this is a very important document.
Yeah, very important document, and it's signed by AI over here, if he accepts.
Okay. All right. So that proves that the unit can withstand the stresses.
Yes.
Okay. I'll put that in later. Okay, so then you have the drawings.
Yeah, this is the drawing.
Okay, I think everyone has seen the drawings before, but we'll just flick through them.
This is the main drawing
Yeah.
of this all layout of the details of the heat exchangers. This is the basic design data of VDC heat exchangers.
Okay.
And the next one is the bill of materials, what we use for these heat exchangers. This all mentioned for total units.
Okay.
And this is for the stamping. For the use stamp, what we have on the nameplate, same this one we have to prepare and keep like the use stamp.
Yep.
Details will be the same on the nameplate.
Yep.
And this is the header plate individual drawing.
Okay.
And next one is also header plate other side view.
Okay.
And this is the pullover plate.
Okay.
Okay, this is the studded port connection details.
All right. So there's a lot of information again there. Back in. Okay, receiving
This is the
inspection
receiving inspection
reports. Now, we showed some of these at the meeting in Malaysia
Yeah.
the other day, but
Yeah.
basically, this is all of the material certificates
Yes.
and witnessed by the
Witnessed
AI.
by the AI.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he does that.
He does that after this is the all details of the material, certificate number, grade
Yeah.
of the material, and this certificate number it will reflect here.
Okay.
The certificate number, and he will review this each and everything, and he will sign on the front page.
Okay. So this is for units.
Unit number 1 to
1
6.
to 6, so
Yes.
the first 6
Yes,
units.
yes.
So this folder,
Yeah.
there will be 3 folders like this, one for each delivery,
Yeah.
correct?
First 6 units, 1 folder will be there.
Yeah.
First 2 folder will be there, and in that 15 units, first 6 part is one set, and
Yeah.
another 9 thing is another set.
Yeah.
And for the S130, it's coming another folder,
Okay.
totally different folder.
All right. So lots of documentation
Yeah, lots of
related to
documentation.
these heat exchangers.
And this is for the plates, heat transfer plates. That is for the header and follower
Right,
plates.
header and follower
Heat transfer plates.
plates.
This also having same fashion, heat numbers, everything will be there. He will witness and he will sign on the front page.
Okay, I saw the
Number marking will be
I
on
saw
the
the AI today.
Yeah.
He was inspecting the plates
Yes.
for the next lot.
Yes.
So this is all. This is the first 6. The next 6.
We have inspected
Today,
and
the AI has inspected all of that material.
Yes.
He has cross-referenced the heat
Yeah.
number to the material certificates,
Yes.
and he has signed on the
Yeah,
relevant
document.
documents.
Yeah.
What's this
and
one
this
for?
is for the stud bolts and nuts. For the tie rods we are using. We
Okay.
have 2 different types of tie rod. Like one is 5 meter and one is 3.6 meter.
Okay.
So this certificate it's for all the units I have kept over here for
Yeah.
the 15 units. Nuts and some materials still we got yesterday also that we will inspect later.
Okay.
But for the 6 units, it's complete everything is here.
Okay. Very good. So what do we got here?
This is the thickness final inspection report. This is done by internally. They only just witness, just he will check only that one. Because based on the drawing, we will check and we will measure the tightening measurement, and that's all.
Okay.
As per the drawing only, we will make in this thing. Drawing is
Right.
the main thing.
Okay. Then
And this is the material requisition. This is for our internal reference. We are keeping like a material what we are going to use, like a 1500 adjustment size, everything we have mentioned over here.
okay, great.
And this is the technical delivery condition as it is the materials, how it will be. Like when we are ordering time, the plate finish, what grade size, like SA 516 grade 60 plates,
Yep.
it should be normalized condition.
Yep.
And this quantity and size as per the PO we have done.
Yep.
And the MTR we record the material test certificate. And this material columbium or niobium,
Yep.
the heat analysis should be 0.05% as per the material requirements.
Right. Okay.
This is inspection test plan, ITP. In that we have mentioned everything, like each step we have mentioned and put the date and sign off.
Okay.
And this is AI sign after completion of everything.
So the guys in Malaysia have seen this ITP before,
Yeah.
and there was some question about
Yeah.
that there would only be one of these
Yeah.
for all of this project, but
Yes.
there's not. There's
No.
one. You
Yeah.
can see it is written here
it's,
for
1
units
to 6.
1 to 6.
Yes,
So there will actually be 3 lots of these ITP.
Yeah, correct.
Yep. And these, all of the, we can show now that all of these steps have been concluded.
Yeah. It's like a basic approval of drawings, everything, design, everything. Second step it will come the receiving inspection, everything, and
Yep.
pressure part and non-pressure parts.
Yep.
And third it is assembly and testing. Testing is done by yesterday and today.
Okay.
And if the NCR is there, it's also will come over here. And the final inspection and this one also data report and SME certification marking. That's all.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So the version that we were looking at in Malaysia was only done up to 4, and that, as we understood,
Yes.
that we were not ready for the FAT at that
Yes.
time, which was proven by the fact that
Yeah.
number 5
Yeah.
wasn't yet signed off.
Yes.
Okay. Then I'll put this back here. So we have the hydrostatic test report. So these have been tested today to 35.9 bar.
This is yesterday tested.
Okay.
And another set is also there. It's today tested on 23. It's a tested pressure is 35.90.
Oh, I see. So one report is for one
side,
and
another
then-
one for second side.
Okay, gotcha. Is there anything interesting attached here? Oh, there's-
it's all here.
So there's
Next-
one document for each.
two
each
reports for each unit.
2 reports for
Yeah.
each unit.
One is yesterday we have tested because of the size of the unit. We cannot test it on same day.
Okay, very good. Then
And
we
this
have.
is the calibration report of the gauges.
Okay,
So what we are using for the pressure testing, that same gauges, this one.
okay.
This is the non-conformance report.
Okay, so we had some issues with gaskets.
Gasket.
Right, okay.
I have written this gasket is peeled off during testing or as installation time.
Okay.
So after that we have written the damaged gasket will replace the new gasket before the final testing of the S18 heat exchangers.
Okay, so that deals with the
This
issue.
is completed on this month's 15th. We have verified everything. The 6 units, each and everything gasket is completed, and we go for the final startup of the testing.
Right,
And we-
okay. Nameplates.
Yeah, this is the nameplate. This is a copy we will keep for our records
Yep.
of this one. And is signed by AE also, whether
Yep.
we have done everything complete.
Yep.
And this is manufacturer's data report. For the each unit we have 6 units, we have 6 reports.
Okay.
Okay. So each and everything will be come over here, signed by the AA witness. Because whatever matters, details, everything related to heat exchangers, it
Yep.
will come in this one.
So who makes this
We
document?
make this document. This is
Right.
belongs to Sondex.
I see.
Okay, it's a manufacturer.
Okay.
It's signed by the AA.
Okay, that's a good, it's like a good report.
Okay, that's all the documents.
All right, so I'm coming back to Malaysia with this folder, which is all the documents related to the 6 units that have been finally tested today and approved by the AI. I will also bring back with me the quality control manual for Gulf Sondex. This is the ASME
Yes,
manual.
quality manual.
Right, is there an ISO
The
one?
ISO manual I will provide you. I'm making the copy now. I
Okay.
will get you.
So they're making a copy of the ISO manual for me
Yeah.
now. So everyone is welcome to read this quality manual. There's actually 2 quality manuals. One is according to ISO and one is according to ASME.
Yes.
Okay, so nice chatting to you guys. Thanks, Bento.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.